And I made some slime. This is how it should look. So all you're gonna need, don't worry, I'm using the same ingredients, is hand soap, any kind of shampoo, some body wash, and toothpaste. Whatever your shampoo is the color your slime's gonna be. So you're just gonna want to put that much, and then what else? Like that much shampoo, and you want to add like it's how much you want. It doesn't really matter. It has to be all equal because no matter how much you get, that's how much you want. Whoa. That much toothpaste. You just gotta stir. You got your slime. I hope subscribe because I'm giving out a PS4 and 3 controllers, and whoever gets it, don't blab it out, or don't say, "Oh, I didn't get anything." Then all of you say you didn't get anything, well, one of you are gonna get something. So don't lie. And I'm gonna give out the phone I'm using, my iPhone. I mean no, not this phone, not my phone, my old phone, my T-Mobile phone. Yeah. So that's how your slime's gonna turn out. This smell minty and soapy. So that's my video for today for slime. Slime is kind of my thing now. Joshua, Monkey, Eli, send any comment you want to my videos. I don't care, okay? Say boo all you want. You're just encouraging me more because you're jealous. Not all of you guys, they're jealous of me, like totally. I don't like it, but I have to deal with it, so. Bye guys, subscribe for iPad minis and a PS4 and a phone and 3 controllers. Bye! Now subscribe, please, because if you want that, you better work for it by subscribing. So, bye guys, see you later. Bye!